Is your start-stop warning light staying on or flashing? Did your start-stop system suddenly stop working, and now you're wondering how to reset it without a scanner? Before you replace anything or pay for a diagnostic, let's go through the simple things you can check first. The first thing I'd check is the battery. A weak battery is one of the most common reasons the start-stop system becomes unavailable. Your engine might still start normally, but the battery may not have enough power for the system to repeatedly stop and restart the engine. If the battery is several years old, have it tested before buying a new one. And if it is weak, charge it or replace it with the correct battery for your vehicle. If your car uses a special start-stop battery, make sure the replacement is the correct type. Now, did you recently disconnect the battery? Or install a new one? After a battery replacement or disconnection, some vehicles need time to relearn their settings. Start the vehicle, drive normally, and give the system some time to return to normal. On certain vehicles, a replacement battery may also need to be registered or programmed. So don't assume the system has failed just because it doesn't work immediately. Next, check the simple conditions. Make sure the doors are fully closed. Check the hood. Make sure the driver's seatbelt is fastened. And let the engine reach normal operating temperature. There's another thing many drivers don't realize. Auto start-stop does not activate every time you stop. If the battery charge is low, the engine is still cold, the air conditioning needs the engine running, or the outside temperature is too extreme, the vehicle may temporarily keep the engine running. That's normal on many cars. Now let's try a simple reset. Turn the vehicle completely off. Remove the key or switch the ignition off. Close the doors. Wait a few minutes. Then start the vehicle again. If your car has an auto start-stop button, press it to switch the system off. Then press it again to turn it back on. After that, take the car for a normal drive and see if the system starts working again. Keep in mind, there isn't one reset method that works on every vehicle. Some cars may need a specific relearn procedure. Here's another important thing to check. Look at the rest of your dashboard. If you're also seeing a check engine light, battery warning light, charging warning, or another fault message, that could be the reason start-stop has been disabled. In that case, resetting the start-stop system won't solve the original problem. You need to deal with the fault that's causing the system to shut down. If the battery is healthy, the vehicle drives normally, and you've already tried the basic reset, but the system still won't operate, there could be a stored fault. Common possibilities include a battery sensor problem, charging system trouble, a hood or door switch, an electrical issue, or another fault that prevents start-stop from operating. At that point, don't keep resetting it again and again. Find the actual cause. And one important safety point. If start-stop is simply unavailable but the car drives normally, it may not be an emergency. But if you also have a battery warning light, overheating warning, check engine light, starting problems, or the engine is running badly, don't ignore those symptoms. Have the vehicle checked as soon as possible. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more dashboard warning light fixes and reset tips. And if you're still having trouble, comment your year, make, model and engine size below. Tell me exactly what message or warning light you're seeing, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.